I'm Ashleigh. Can you just start again? Because of your laugh, start it again.
No, it's fine.
Hi, I'm Ashleigh. Welcome to Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, where we give a lot of cake and cookie decorating tutorials, as well as a lot of baking business tips.
Close. Okay, babe, do you know what we're going to be doing today?
What?
Making macarons!
Yay! It's my specialty.
First, you have to combine the icing sugar and the almond flour.
Yes. You want these bad boys to see this? All right, I'm very good. I'm very good at turning stuff in. Is this how you have to do it?
Yeah. Normally, you would pulverize it with a food processor to release some of the oils, but sometimes when I'm in a pinch, I skip that step.
But is this a pinch?
Yeah.
Like, are we missing our food? A pulverizer? When is this too much?
It's never too much.
We're fine then.
Especially when you're not using a machine, it's never gonna
over. Well, I'm a machine, so.
All right.
Can I squish it against the side or no?
Sorry?
Can I squish those against the side like the lumps?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not folding here.
No, it's just an incorporation.
You've got me convinced that I'm folding here. What am I doing?
Okay, that's good.
Is it?
Yeah.
There's balls.
Everything's fine. Now you're gonna pour it into the French sieve.
This one?
Yeah.
Can they see this?
Yeah.
Great. All of it?
Yeah.
Wow, this is so easy.
Okay.
People could do this at home themselves with the right equipment.
Okay, now you're gonna shake it. They can't see your full body.
They can't see my butt then?
Okay, but you have to be careful because some of it is coming off here.
Sorry, miss. Whoops. These are expensive ingredients.
Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're going to put this bowl back on the scale so that we can remeasure the ingredients to make sure that it's the right amount.
I'm so
A
good.
funnel-like approach.
Oh, no kidding. Funnily enough, I'm great at that.
Okay.
I got
how many grams?
625.
Okay, that was like 6.
No, 625. 625.
Okay, so we just need to take out 25.
No? How? What do you want me to do?
Yeah. No.
Okay. Where am I putting it then?
You can just put it back on the parchment.
But then we wasted it. How much?
That's good.
606.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yes. See? I know how to, like... Okay. Now what? No. You've got me... You're giving me no instructions whatsoever. Am I putting it in the egg whites?
Correct.
Oh! How many...
Let's do
blue?
3 drops. We want an icy blue.
I'm so sorry. I haven't used this dropper.
Maybe you gotta like...
How squeezy is it?
You got... Yeah. 1.
Is that 2? That's a big one. We're gonna do 3. 3 is good.
Okay.
Hey, it's your...
No, it's good. It's
you
fine.
said 3.
It's perfect.
3 is fine.
Now we're gonna dump these egg whites into that mixture.
Not mixed.
Don't mix it.
What? You're stressing me out. All of it? Just go?
Yeah, but put it through the... Yeah.
Do you want me to scrape with this?
Don't scrape.
Don't scrape. Okay, here you go. Whoa, that looks
that's
kind of
good.
cool.
And then we're just gonna let that be there. Now we have to make the meringue.
Was that with the egg white that we just pushed in?
Incorrect.
I like it. I like it. Makes macaroning a little more adventurous.
Okay, now coming over here to the stove. Here I prepared your granulated sugar already because I'm such a good wife.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, now turn on the stove. Okay, now dump
Down
that water
or
in.
high? What do you
Dump
want?
this water in
Okay.
before it gets a dry caramel problem.
A dry caramel pop.
Now, turn the heat way down because you're going to burn that sugar. Not so down. A little more. That's perfect. Now center.
So for you that are at home, it's about there on the dial, which is not specific at all. Gosh.
Center that. Perfect.
It was already centered. Now it's off, but it looks good to you.
Now this is where things get tricky and scary.
I'm already scared, but go on.
This is going to start bubbling a little bit, and I don't use a thermometer anymore. So when it starts bubbling, we're going to come over here where these egg whites have been prepared for you.
This is the best way to bake. It's just all already in things.
Okay, so what I would do is I would lower that. No!
It's bubbling now, but you didn't, like, what are the bubble ratio? Look at it. That's bubbly. That's not enough. It's not enough, guys.
It's never enough. Okay, babe. You have to use your inner meringue thermometer.
Yeah, the one that you have 10 years later. Okay.
Now you gotta start it.
Start what? This?
Yeah.
By the way, everyone, that came on in a second. I said, are they done? And she goes, no, not yet. Okay, they're done. It's done now. It's time.
Put it to 8.
Ah!
Quick!
Is that 8? Is that 8?
Okay. Now.
Oh, okay.
This is where the pressure is on.
I'm already stressed.
We have to have a feeling in our meringue hearts.
Go ahead. She's giving me quite an endearing look while she tells me this, guys. She's looking right in my eyes and telling me how intense this feeling is for the meringue temperature. Sugar temperature, sorry.
Okay, look at how glossy and white it's getting.
Whoa! That's crazy. Guys, did you see how glossy and white it is getting? I would also like to point out that I'm pouring this at a perfect speed so as to not have it leak down the side of the pot onto the counter. I would like to point out that that's hard. I know, but you've done it a million times. I've done it 0. Okay, Ash, show us the macaron tap.
I like to do this because it's warm.
Because it's warm, okay. You're awesome. Look at how oh. It is hot.
Okay, and now bang that off.
Like this?
Yeah, and bang it on the side. Get all that meringue goodness. Yep.
Good?
Yep. You can if you want to.
Does it taste good though?
I don't know, try it.
Nope. Like it's sugar.
Okay, now tip it over your head.
That could stay there a while probably.
You did it. Yeah. You nailed it. Okay. Now, put this in the sink.
Jeez, I really need every step, don't I?
We're going to get the
Welcome
meringue.
to Sweet Dreams Bake Shop.
No, we did that.
okay.
We're going to get the meringue. Yes. Scrape it.
Into there?
Yeah.
Oh no. Okay. This is so fluffy.
Yeah, try not to take out all the air like you're doing right now.
Okay. Oh,
You
okay.
have to like scoop it in.
Okay, I understand. Do you hear that, guys? Don't fluff it.
Underneath, you're going to pull it under.
Everything.
Yeah.
Everything?
And you're going to keep doing that. And you're going to cut through the center sometimes. Yeah. And twist.
This is easy. You're all like, oh, you're gonna screw it up. Be careful. Or you can screw it up. You better be careful.
You better be careful.
I better be?
Lift under. You're missing quite a bit underneath. Yeah.
And don't shake it off.
No.
Shake it.
Not like Taylor Swift.
No, not like Taylor.
The opposite. Okay, and now do big rounded sweeping motions. Yes. But
Guys, it's coming together!
Yeah, like you can make macarons.
I'm doing it! Come look! I'm doing it! Did you hear my daughter? Like, you can make macarons.
Let me see for myself.
Come saw. Look at this. Folding it. Can you fold this?
Yes.
No, you can't. Too tiny. You look beautiful, by the way.
Let me do it then.
No, you look so pretty, though.
No, let me
Really
do
get
it.
the sides, babe?
What?
Yeah.
You told me not to do that.
I said not to scrape the excess off the spatula.
Oh, I so badly want to scrape the excess off the spatula.
Don't eat it either.
I don't want to eat it. This does not look good. This looks like blue sugar. That's
Yay!
Yeah, right up your alley, right?
It's just like purple.
Guys, this is so easy. You can do this at home. You need a spatula and a bowl and a wife to tell you what to do. It's perfect.
Yeah,
Or a
but
baker.
Mommy, where-
Sorry, I shouldn't say wife. It's 2025. You can have a husband to tell you what to do.
Where is the...
You got stuff on the side just here. And a lot of color. I would like to say I put the correct amount of drops in here for frozen. This looks just like Elsa's dress. There's an unincorporated part. Yeah. I'll just hang it there.
Okay, babe. So see this consistency here?
Yep.
It's what you're looking for.
Okay. I think I
So
can
you
do it.
always want to do a little tester first to make sure that you've got the right consistency.
Oh yeah.
almost there.
No,
You just need a couple turns.
No, it's perfect. A couple
No.
turns of what?
Of the batter.
Really?
So that I can just take this. Scrapey, scrapey.
Whoa!
She's so clean.
Adjust-
When you do this, up and down.
And swoopy.
Yeah, but you're not pressing once you do the swoop. That makes sense?
Are you pulling up?
No.
You're not pulling up. You're just leaving it at a level.
Well, like I eventually pull up, I guess.
I'm making macarons.
Are you pressing while you're putting it in? While you're squeezing right now? You're
Yep,
pressing?
squeezing and then letting go. Squeeze, stop squeezing. Squeeze, stop squeezing. And we don't want them to run into each other, so really try to keep it in the circle.
Well, yeah.
Oops.
I would assume those circles are there for a reason.
Yeah, but like,
How do you get the paper out of there?
you just live. Now see how we got these peaks?
Sure.
Yeah, bang it out.
Nice. This will be the only part that I'm good
To
at.
the macaron.
Alright guys, that's what the blue looks like before they put their hand behind for the focus, right?
Yeah, but mine has
Is it-
autofocus.
No, this is better. This is what everybody wants to see. Look, see guys? That's how shiny. And then we're gonna add the lighter blue now. Add the lighter blue. And then I think we make slime after this. I'm not quite sure. What am I, like just 50-50?
Yeah.
Here, look guys, how good I made this look now with the, you wanna come see? Yeah, come see what I did with the sprinkles and tell me if this isn't Elsa in a cup.
All over.
Oh, you're wasting my mix.
Just fun. Look at how fun. She's so sprinkly. Okay, babe, your turn.
Yeah, I can do that. That's nothing. It's nothing. That ain't no thing. But a chicken wing. Show you.
No, you're really angled right now. It needs to be more up and down.
Ah, shoot.
No.
I got it. I'm gonna do it. Just let me do it. Let me do it and then scrape after.
Yes, that's right.
I know!
No, but you needed me to tell you.
I needed your big shoulder in the way, you mean? No, I didn't. Correction, I did not.
But see, now
No.
when I'm not holding it, your tip is going into the macaron.
Is it not supposed to?
No.
Oh, I thought it's supposed to. Am I lifting this up when I come up?
You squeeze and hold it in the exact same place, and then you lift when you stop squeezing.
Got it. No.
That one, I want to blame that one on you somehow. I know you're way over there, but... Want to get a freaking phone video going here or what? Because this is pretty impressive. Like, you're going to be out of a business in a minute here. What's going to be...
Keep the piping bag more up and down.
Am I angling it again?
Yeah.
How's that?
Better.
We're going to bang him, guys. It's going to be fine. This is so easy. To do it average.
Up and down.
It is. Is it not?
It's a little angled. Everybody is a little angled. It's just... And try not to hold the piping tip so
Oh,
close.
I got a bubble. What happened there?
You'll bang it out. Okay.
This one you did too big.
Well, honey, that was all the batter that was left.
Wasn't this all me? Like, didn't I miss this?
I did
all?
one of the batter. They look really good.
Yeah, it's going okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
Maybe you are going to get me out of business. I don't even say anything.
Yeah, well, I think I'm probably just going to get you more business, is what it is. I'm not going to do anything about it. It's probably from all the banging that I'm doing correctly, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a little peaked in certain places.
Yes, they're quite poor.
Okay, now you gotta add your sprinkles on to cover up the problems.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
But not too many of those, because if you weigh it down with too many of those,
It'll
gets
screw it up.
Yeah.
Can I play with my slime?
And you don't need to put it on the way I did, because we're doing an all over sprinkle
Oh,
mix.
so keep just doing that?
Like you could just put a few of those, like everywhere. Yeah. Yeah. Well, there are some
So she
uneven
pointed
ones.
out that there's several imperfections.
No, this one's a little uneven.
Is
this one too.
This one has personality. It's a little curly Q, like Elvis.
What?
Oh.
It's the date of time.
Okay. Now we're just gonna let all of this set.
Let's do it.
We're gonna make a compost.
What'd you say, bumbleberry?
Bumbleberry compote.
That's when you make it with bees.
But we have to somehow make it like frozen themed. So can you come up with like a frozen theme name for this? It's mixed berry.
Let it go berry.
Let it go berry.
It's,
no. I was thinking winterberry, but then I was like, they're not
Frozen
winter
berries.
berries.
Frozen berries.
Olaf berry. Bumble.
We'll come back to that.
Oh.
Yeah, using this pot is part of the fun.
It's definitely something you have to tackle.
This is what I always do, babe, to conserve on dishes and walking. I take from the sugar jar and just give it a little sprinkle on top. Yep. More. Way more.
So it's not just a little sprinkle. We ain't messing around here.
Correct.
More?
More.
Wow.
Then you're going to turn on the heat.
How hot?
Center the pot. And that's perfect. It's enough!
Jeez Louise! What the heck? Spanish. You ruined it!
Hey, next to what?
How does that feel, babe?
It feels... Should I put my finger?
No!
Oh, then it feels wet. That's what you want your compote to feel like, wet. Gosh.
You see your feet?
Yes, I do see my feet. And the macarons. Am I like... Is that how I can do it?
Yeah, I kind of bring it up in there to get all the fruit. They're baked perfectly.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, but now you have to remove them.
Like, come on.
What?
I was gonna kill it. I came in with a positive attitude and confidence, and it's gonna be just fine.
Okay.
Except for this one that you did at the end where you ruined it.
No, that's not your tray.
This isn't my tray that I did? Well, I did all the trays, so don't lie to everybody.
Alright.
Aria! Don't tell.
So the whole reason my husband was even helping me make these macarons in the first place is because it was my birthday weekend. So he had this whole big plan for me. Now, although the macarons weren't actually part of the plan, he knew I had to get them done, so he decided to do them with me, and I thought it would be fun to just teach him how to do it. That morning, he had already gone to my dance fit class with me, again, something that he never does because it's just not his thing, but he went because it was my birthday. And then we didn't get to fill these macarons right away because he actually had this entire downtown Vancouver plan for us. So we ended up going to a really fancy hotel and eating really delicious food. And I also got to film them making my dessert, which I'll show you on my other channel, Need More Sweet Dreams Bake Shop. I know I haven't uploaded on there in a long time, but I will be doing that once I put that little video together. And I ended up filling these macarons on my own a couple days later. Now you might be thinking, you can fill your macaron shells a couple days later. You totally can. You just have to make sure that you either refrigerate or freeze your shells right away so that it stays really, really fresh. And because we're using something like a compote in here, it tends to bring back that moisture and it always has the right texture even after you leave the shells for a couple of days. I'm sure my husband would have had a great time doing this satisfying sprinkling part as well, but unfortunately, he was at work when I was doing this part. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie Fam. Right now, I'm uploading when I feel like it, so be sure to hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys, and let me know down in the comments if you want to see my husband Jordan make some other yummy desserts. Bye!